Hi everyone, today I would like to present you a different topic in my YouTube channel. Today I would like to present you some different Brazilian wood specimens that I use to apply in my wood roof works. And here we have some different specimens of common Brazilian woods. Most of them are rough, as you can see. So first of all, we have a interesting specimen that is called Cupiúba. This wood, Cupiúba, is relatively heavy and hard and very used in wood roofs. Here we have a part of the specimen. As you can see, the fibers and the tangential surface, and quite nice finishment. And here it is applied in truss, a kind of wood very used in my region for structural works, especially for wood roofs. So then here we have another type of wood. This type of wood, here we have a wood that is known as a mescla. I'm sorry, I was about to forget the name. A mescla is a wood specimen that is not too hard and not too heavy, but it is also used in wood roofs and other structural works. A kind of wood that gives interesting finishments, and so he's relatively light and is not very common in roofs in my region, but here we have some example of the application of this kind of wood. So now I would like to present you a very interesting, a fantastic wood specimen. This guy here, we have a very heavy, very hard one. As you can see, the fiber is quite difficult to see because the wood is very compact and is perfect for structural purposes. And here we have an example of its application. It is very resistant and too difficult to take out nails from it, because it hides very firmly the nails, as you can see right here. Another specimen that I would like to present you is a wood specimen that has an interesting feature. This wood specimen is known as faveiro. The Brazilian name, the Portuguese name is faveiro. Relatively hard and heavy wood specimen, but the main feature of this kind of wood is that it is very difficult to work, because it's difficult to breathe when you cut it. It's a toxic one. It's a breathtaking and your throat and nose are burning and hurting when you cut this kind of food. But it's beautiful. It has beautiful fibers, and so it's very good for structural purpose, as you can see here. This kind of food we are using at this is working, as you can see right here. The last kind of food is very special and quite common in my region. This specimen is known as tatajuba. Tatajuba. And is widely used in structural purpose also. But this kind of food has a very interesting feature. Here we have example of a tatajuba that was sawed right here in order to show you the fiber structure. Observe, it has a golden color, but by means of the oxidation, which is a natural phenomenon, this guy turns in brownish to reddish color, as you can see here. This specific bit of wood, this specific piece of wood was sawed 3 days ago, 2 or 3 days ago, and please compare the difference between the colors. It's very yellowish to golden, and here we have the appearance of I don't know, a reddish to brownish. And then when the oxidation is completed, we have this kind of color. It turns very, very deep reddish to brownish. Observe here. The majority of the most woods has this feature, because when it oxidates, they assume a different color. In general, brown or black, or even whitish to brown. But this wood turns its color dramatically to another that is very unexpected, as you can see here. And here we have an application of the tatajuba wood. So it's all for now. I would like to present these Brazilian specimens. Some of that are common, as the copiúba. Some of that are difficult to find, as the faveiro. Some of that has interesting features, as the tatajuba. Other are have hard and heavy, as the paraju or massaranduba, that is usually named. Thanks for watching.